Hello children, I am Anjali, your EVS teacher from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Children, today we are going to learn our sixth lesson. What is your sixth lesson name? Variety of food. So children, we all know we eat so many varieties of food every day, isn't it? Yes, because all the people's likes, dislikes are it will be vary. So we all eat varieties of food, isn't it? Yes. So let us start the lesson. So from this lesson, children, variety of food lesson, we will come to know the varieties of food and we can get introduced to the varieties of food used in our district, and we can make a list of food obtained from plants and animals, and we can identify the quantity of food consumed according to sex, age and physical activities, and we can identify the food of wild animals, domestic animals and insects found in home. Okay children? Yes. So let us start. So children, here we should write 5 food items that you eat every day in the space given below. So here we should write the 5 food items. So what are those? We can write rice, milk, roti, fruits, vegetables, anything you can write anything your choice, 5 food items. Okay? Yes. So why do you eat those food items every day? Write the reason in the space given below. So why we will eat the food? So these particular food. So we eat food to get energy and to live, isn't it children? Yes, without food we can't live. All the living beings can't live without food, isn't it? Yes. So our next page, write 5 food items that you eat on festivals or on special days. So children, as earlier as we have discussed, so we eat different types of food, and on the special occasion like festivals, your mother will prepare special dishes, isn't it? Yes. So you should write 5 food items that you eat on festivals. Okay, in the third question. So fourth question, write 5 food items that you like very much. So which are the favorite foods of you? You have to write here. And fifth question, why do you like them? You should write why those foods are your favorite. Okay. And sixth, write 5 food items which you do not like. So you have written favorite food, and you should write 5 food items which you do not like. Okay. And even for that also you have to write reason. Why do you not like them? Okay. Yes. In the next column, compare your answers with those of your friends. Are the answers are the same? If not, why? Think and write. Because children, you why you can compare? Because your friends means you will come to know, means you know what are their choice and what are their likes and dislikes, isn't it? Yes. Yes. Also you can compare your answers with your friends. Okay. Here you should write the answer children. And in the next page, here one activity is there, make a list of food crops that are grown in your place. So we know usually what are the food crops. It can be jowar, rice, wheat, etc., etc. So as per your locality, your place, what is your known crops, you have to write in that column. Okay children? Yes. And children, do you know what are the sources of food? Yes, plants and animals. So from where we will get the food children? From plants and animals. Okay. So know this, food habits differ from person to person. Similarly, the food habits of people vary from one place to another. All the places of people have different types of food habits, isn't it children? Yes. So we eat according to the taste, food habits and crops that grow in that place or particular region. Okay. For example, the people eat more of jowar in the region where jowar is grown in plenty. So in which place jowar crop will grow, in that type of places people will eat obviously jowar crop, isn't it children? Yes, people who live on the seashore eat more of fishes. Yes, no children? Yes. So what type of people? So if the people are staying near the seashore, they will eat more fish. So food habits of people differ from person to person according to their place and region. Yes, no? Yes. So you already know why we need food. The different requirements of food are shown in the pictures given below. Observe this picture, childrens. Yes. So why do we need food, children? Yes, so food gives us energy to work, and food helps us to grow bigger, and food helps us to strong, and food helps us to keeps us healthy. So we need food to get energy, to grow bigger, and to grow stronger, and to be healthy. Okay? Yes. In the next page, children, we know we all must need food. We all need food. All the living beings need food. Without food, we can't live, isn't it? Yes. Which are the food items that gives us strength? Which are the food items that help us to grow? Which are the food items are required to keep healthy? So, children, some food items are there, particularly that type food items, they will make us strong and help us to grow, and they make us to be healthy. So, what are those? Yes, in the first picture, you can see, children, food items that make us strong. So, what type of foods are there? Rice, ragi, jowar, wheat, millets, oil, ghee, sugar, jaggery, meat, etc. are gives us strength. Means they will make strong. Like our bone will become strong, our teeth will become strong. So these type of foods will make us strong. So children, all the food items have their own nutrients, different types of nutrients. Because of this, we our body become strong, healthy, and it will be grow. And next, food items that help us to grow. So what are those? Pulses like tur dal, cow gram, and black gram, milk, egg, etc. are the help us to grow. Okay children, we came to know food items that make us strong and food items that help us to grow. Okay, so write the names of other grains that you know. So apart from these, still some more grains are there. So you have to write it down. So what are those? Corn, millet, barley, oats, and green gram, peas, soya, rice, and so many are there still, isn't it children? Yes. Okay, so next we will see food items that help us stay to be healthy. So what type of food items, children? By eating more vegetables and fruits, we can avoid diseases. So if you eat more vegetables and fruits, means you can avoid diseases. Isn't it, children? Yes. So because fruits and vegetables makes us healthy. Okay. Yes, vitamins, proteins, and so many nutrients are there in the vegetables and fruits. So they will make us we can avoid the diseases. Okay, yes. And raw vegetables, sprouted seeds, and fresh fruits keep us healthy. So even we need to eat sprouted seeds, isn't it children? Yes. And fresh fruits, so they will keep us healthy. Drink sufficient quantity of water to maintain good health. Even we need to drink water, sufficient water. Okay, then only we can maintain our health. Next, what did you eat yesterday? Write in this plate. Children, have you remember yesterday what you have eaten? Yes, in this plate, one plate you can see, no, in the picture. So in that plate you have to write what did you eat yesterday and write here. Okay. After that, make a list of the food items that are in your plate and your friend's plate. So, as we have earlier, we have written friends' favorite food and what they are not liking food. That also we have written. That also we have made the list. Here also, make a list of the food items that are in your plate and your friend's plate. Okay? Yes. In the next page, children, write the basic food materials used to prepare these food items. So, two columns are there. One is food item and basic food materials. For example, roti. So, from what type of material we can prepare the roti? Ragi, it may be rice, it may be jowar, wheat. Isn't it? Yes. So, one more example is upma. So upma, from what type of basic material we will use to prepare the upma, children? Yes, suji, oats and vermicelli. Vermicelli. Isn't it, children? So like that only you have to write the rest of until 10th one. Till 10 items you have to write here. Okay? Yes. So one more activity is there, children. Once again, observe the list that you have prepared, get clues from it and fill in the blanks. So children, here what they have given in the circle, rice. Okay, so from rice, what are the items, what are the food items we can prepare? Cooked rice, and rice also it is there. What type of rice or else other food items you can prepare by rice, you have to write here. For example, from rice what we will write? Lemon rice, isn't it? Wangi bath, bisbal bath and all we will prepare. So like that you have to write. And from wheat, they have given chapati. From wheat, what we will prepare, children? Chapati, isn't it? Yes. And rest of the food items. What are the food items we can make? Wheat, chapati, halwa, and puri. Even so many things we will prepare, isn't it, children? Yes. Even here also you have to write. And one more is vegetable. From vegetable, what type of food you can prepare, children? Upma, isn't it? And pulav, salad, etc. So many are they, you have to write here. And milk, as like milk also, from milk we can get butter, cheese, ghee, curd, isn't it, children? Yes, write that also. And tur dal, from tur dal we will prepare sambar, isn't it? Yes, and sweet chapati also. So what are the food items we can prepare from tur dal, you have to write. Okay. And one more activity, do you know where we get the food materials that you have listed? For example, we get rice from the paddy plant. Classify the food items that are available in your place as plant source and animal source. So here we should write plant source and animal source. We have to divide and write. What are those? Plant source. What are those? Vegetables, fruits, grains, oil seeds, pulses, cereals. Isn't it, children? Yes. Plant source. These are all plant source. And what are the animal source? Milk, cheese, egg, meat, butter, ghee, etc. Isn't it, children? Yes. So children, I hope you understood this lesson, variety of food. But children, we have stopped here only. So again in the next video we will continue this lesson. Only we have finished a few pages of this lesson. I hope this much you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the group, children. Okay. Now time for homework. First read the lesson and do the working pages in the textbook and make the list of food which is obtained from plants and animals. So it means, children, you have to make the list of which type of food we will get from the plants. It may be vegetable or fruits. You have to write 5 items, means 5 food items which we will get from plants. Okay. As like animals, we should write 5 food items which we will get from animals, because Plants and animals are the main sources of food. Do you know, children? Yes, just now we have learnt. Yes, no? Yes, these are the main sources of food, plants and animals. Okay, thank you.